After installing the extension and going to the settings, you need to fill in the global extension fields by selecting your host and the ID of the work drive folder, creating it beforehand, or choosing an existing one. Next, set up lead conversion mapping. This is necessary for the correct transfer of chats when converting a lead into a contact. Once you have finished that, you can proceed to configure each messenger you need. To configure Telegram, you will need to create a brand new bot through BotFather. Then enter its token and name into the corresponding fields. In order to properly set up WhatsApp, you first need to create a brand new application in Meta for developers, and then select WhatsApp within it. In the created application, obtain the phone number YD and WhatsApp business account ID and copy them into the fields in the settings. Next, create a token through Meta Business Suite by creating a system user, for which you generate a token for the created application. You also need to configure the necessary webhooks. In the section below, a callback URL and token will be generated, which you need to copy and paste in the application settings. For Instagram, you will need to have a professional account and then simply log into it. For Viber, you need to enter into a formal agreement with the GMS provider, who will provide you with all the essential details and necessary information. Viber token, website, and client ID. After filling out all of the information, you will be provided with a callback URL, which you need to send back over to GMS so they can set it up for you. Once you have finished configuring the extension and each individual messenger, you can then begin the process of setting up your merge tags. This provides you with a way to quickly access important record data directly within your messages, as well as carefully defining specific access rights for each individual user to the channel. After that, you can start using the extension. The extension is available in the Leads, Contacts, and Deals modules. Let's create a new lead and start a chat using a Telegram invitation link. In the panel located at the bottom of the screen, you can view chat actions and various other types of incoming messages, such as files, scheduled messages, voice messages, emojis, and detailed information about the person you are communicating with. When a message is sent from an unknown number, a brand new lead will automatically be created. You can continue the conversation there. If necessary, this chat can be moved over to another record. In the Deals module, the chat of the contact selected in the record is displayed. In the Grono Chat Messages module, old messages will be periodically saved. You can also view and manage various notifications for newly created records and incoming messages.